Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn in Excel allow dates to increment when dragged down. You see in example 1st December 2021, then 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. You don't need to type data like this date wise. You don't need to type this data. 2nd December 2002. This is hectic for you to type all the dates. It is very simple. You just type first date, 1st December 2021, select it, and by mouse just drag down. You see 4th December, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8, 9, and then you see the dates are showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. You don't need to type data by keyboard. You are seeing these dates are automatically showing. You don't need to type dates. I am using Microsoft Excel 2016. It has a simple option, just drag down and you can easily get all the dates. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.